Hi, I'm Onair Gallow, known for driving that V6 Civic, the 10-second one. We've transitioned over into go-karting during the down period. It's my second time out. First workshop I had an accident where I stood off the track. This time I wasn't feeling so well. By the third lap, into the fourth lap I had stopped. I came in fourth or fifth. I don't plan to do any more races for the day. But the event has been well organized, everybody wearing their masks, I feel really safe. I'd like to thank the sponsors and the organizers. Hopefully next meet out, I'll be full 100 and we'll be at them, all right? Big up 876 Streets, big up Jamaica Karting Association. That's it.
This event was made possible by the following sponsors.
Subscribe now to 876 Streets on YouTube, and turn on your post notifications. Thank you for watching.